Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku Basalan, September 3, 2023. 3-star Sudoku. Column E and 4th grade. We have pair numbers 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in any one of these cells. 6th grade, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. Column E, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column F, column G, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Then column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 5. 7th row, we have 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 can't come this cell, it will come in one of these cells. 8th grade, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column E, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 8th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. Column G, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column F, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Then 2nd grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. It will come in any one of these cells, will confirm later. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. 7th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. 5th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column D, column J, we have pair numbers 2 and 8. So 2 and 8 can't come these cells, it will come in one of these cells. 9th grade, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. Column J, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 9th grade, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Column D also we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell, then 2 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come this cell, it will come in one of these cells, confirm later. Then 10th row, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 9th grade, we have 1, 9 and 2. The 3 numbers can't come this cell, it will come in one of the 3 cells, will confirm later. Then column H, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. 2nd row, we have 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come this cell, it will come in one of these cells. 3rd row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column H, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Then 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. Column J, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 7th grade, 9th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 7, 5, 9. Column C, column D, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells, the 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 5. It will come in one of these cells, confirm later. Then column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 5. It will come in one of these cells, confirm later. 3rd grade, we have 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells, it will confirm later. Then column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. It will come in one of these cells, will confirm later. Then 3rd grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. 4th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 2nd row, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 7, 8. Column C, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, then 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. Column C, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column J, 3rd grade, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. 3rd row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 7th grade, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. 3rd row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 6, 3. Column B, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. Column B, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Second grade, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then the first grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. Column B, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column B, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Then fourth grade, 2 numbers are remaining. Column C also, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. 7th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 7th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. The 9th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. 6th grade, column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. 5th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.